फाटल्या कांय दिसांच्या राज्यातल्या कायदो आनी सुवेवस्थेचेर तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्षान उजवाड घाला। राज्यांत धुमाकूळ घालपी राजकारण आनी सूड घेवपी राजकारणाचेर उजवाड घालो। येवपी काळांत गोंयकारांनी सरकाराक बुद्ध शिकोवपाक जाय म्हूण तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन सांगलां। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I think all over India in the last 7 years, we've seen the politics of petty vengeance and revenge. Nobody does it better than the BJP. But now the Goa government, as the election is approaching, is getting more and more desperate. Yesterday, two things happened. At 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, there was a huge bike rally in the Polvorim constituency. We have with us Mr. Sandeep Mazarkar, who was the Sarpanch of Salvador de Mundo. Of Sukur, the Sarpanch of Sukur, and he, ex-Sarpanch of Sukur, and he has joined the party. There are 3 panchayats there. One is Pena, one is Salvador, and the other is Sukur. And we went on a bike rally through all 3 of them for about an hour and a half. About 400 bikes were there. After the rally finished, I came away, and soon after that, Mr. Mazarkar was picked up and arrested and taken to Maksa police station. What was the charge? It was an old case, FIR number 276 of 2019, which was an ongoing case being investigated by the crime branch, and the Maksa police picked him up yesterday. Now, this is an ongoing case in which he has been a part of, and he has cooperated with the investigation. There was absolutely no reason to arrest him yesterday after sunset in a manner right after the bike rally, and it shows very clearly that the BJP in Polvorim and in Goa were absolutely scared of the kind of any kind of opposition to their territory.
भायर सरला आनी TMC जॉइन जाल्लो आसा आनी पोलवरीन TMC चड स्ट्रॉंग जाल्ली आसा। आतां जो MLA जो आसा तो भियेला, ताका भंय जाला TMCचो की TMC हांगा चड स्ट्रॉंग जाल्ली आसा। लोक म्हाज्या वांगडा आसा, कालूच दाखोवन दिले लोकांनी। एक आमी रॅली काडटात जाल्यार कितलेच लोक भायर सरले।